passenger princess ako sa likod.
Ikaw talaga nag-drive. Welcome.
Hi, RG. Nice
Macho
to
naman
see
ang
ya.
kotse mo.
Nice to see ya. Yay!
Ikaw yung passenger princess.
Passenger princess ko siya.
Tapos ako na rin maging passenger princess. Ganun pala maging VIP.
Oo.
Congrats on the car, ha?
Thank
Kakakuha mo lang,
you.
no?
Yes, fresh from the casa yan, last week.
Last week lang.
Oo, so exciting kasi it's always been a dream of mine to have an LC and there's no other way to take care of it than to put it here in second skin.
Buti naman, alam mo yun.
Oo, kasi syempre it's such a baby. Kailangan alaga ng alaga talaga siya.
Correct. And black pa yung kinuha mo.
And black pa, so kailangan talaga siyang i-protect. Kaya takot ako i-drive kanina.
Yun na nga eh, kasi pag black cars, mas kita yung swirls and scratches and rock chips, and kami nang bahala dito. So, what we're going to do with your car is we're going to give you the ultimate package for second skin.
What's the ultimate package?
So the ultimate package is a 5-year protection program. That includes Magnus propane protection film, windshield protection film, nano ceramic window film, ceramic coating, to have you completely protected and covered for 5 years.
So that's inside and outside?
Inside and outside, correct. Tapos ang maganda pa dyan, diba, alam mo naman dito, lagi nasasagi yung car. Minsan, madadamage yung film.
Oo, yung mga bato-bato.
Yung mga tao, mga kamote drivers.
Oo.
Maganda dyan, kunyari nagasgasan ka, we'll replace it for free.
Oh, for 5 years?
For 5 years. So,
wow, that's
unlimited
not bad.
yan.
Yeah.
So, whatever happens to you,
so, pwede
to
ko
your
banggain
car,
ng banggain?
huwag naman sana. Huwag naman sana. But at least you have that peace of mind na whatever happens to your car, we got your back.
And it's important kasi I don't only drive the car. My driver will also drive the car.
No.
Khalil will drive it, my dad will drive. So, walang sisihan.
Correct. And you never know talaga what can happen to your car. Kahit nakapark siya dyan, pwedeng maatrasan ng ibang kotse or whatever.
Tsaka our work conditions din eh.
Exactly. Di ba lagi kayong off-site or you go out of town?
Lalo na kapag kailangan namin mag-out of town ng off-road. Naku.
Gubat.
Yes.
Hindi mo alam, may sanga mahuhulog sa'yo
Tsaka
or whatever.
din, yung tint. I'm also excited for the tint.
Yes, so yung tint natin, what we gave you is the Magnus Pro Titanium Security Window Film. So,
I saw nga your video.
Yung binasag yung salamin, diba?
Yes, akala namin lahat na nakawan ka.
Yun nga, actually, ibang tao hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin yata yung isip.
Pero my gosh, kasi that's the perfect tint that we all need. Kami sa industry namin. Kasi lalo na ako, I put so much stuff in my car.
Correct.
And at least may peace of mind ako na kahit nandyan yung mga luxury brands na mga bags ko, shoes ko, electronics, my clothes, alam ko na safe siya kasi nga, naka-security tent ako. And ang hirap na ngayon, ang daming basag kotse, diba?
You know, after I made that video, a friend of mine called. Sabi niya, bro, nabasagan din ako. Saan ka? Sabi ko, ay shit, yung akin fake lang. Pero siya nabasagan talaga. Tapos sinako yung mga laptop niya, equipment niya.
Ang hirap.
So nakakatakot talaga. So at least we have this program to have your cars protected and to give you the peace of mind na you're safe. At least your belongings, your car, it's safe from from harm, from mga basag gamit.
Pwede na ako mag-iwan ng gamit.
Pwede ka mag-iwan ng gamit. And you can drive safely at night kasi kahit dark yung outside niya, from the inside when you're driving, hindi siya madilim.
Oh, perfect. Kasi it's hard, especially when I'm driving alone. Siyempre, babae.
Exactly. Tapos pag nakita ka, ang laki-laki ng kotse, mga LC kasi ikaw mag-isang drive.
Correct. Mainit sa mata masyado.
Well, hindi mo siya pwedeng iwan mag-drive mag-isa.
Hindi. Ngayon lang, today lang ko. Huwag ka masyadong maaliw.
Nilubos ko na yung pagiging VIP.
Last na yun, bro.
Last mo na yan.
Sige, I'll give you a tour at the shop so I can show you how we're going to be protecting your brand new LC300. So, sakto actually today, ang dami namin Toyotas, dami kami LC. As you can see, we have the LC300, we have the Prado, and you have a Prado rin.
Yes.
Kayo din yun, ikaw din yun.
Yun, tayo rin yun. So, we'll do that on the next video. But for now, we'll do Gabbi's LC300. So, ito, we have a brand new rin ito na Hilux GR, brand new na Prado. So, kakalabas lang din from casa. We're gonna do a full paint protection film program on it also. Kasi alam mo naman, rock chips, gas-gas. And di ba ito nga, bagong-bago lang. Napansin ko kanina may mga swirls na siya.
Oo,
so, kakalabas lang niya. Pero
it's inevitable. Kaya ano talaga, wala eh.
It really happens and that's why we're here. Diba? So, we have here a finished product. So, this is an LC300 that we already protected with Magnus propane protection film.
Tsaka lumilitaw yung niya,
lumitaw
color
yung,
niya,
yes,
may glitters ba siya?
If i-compare mo dun sa'yo, yung sa'yo hindi masyado nakalabas.
Yeah.
Because pinalish na namin to and then we applied the Magnus propane protection film. So that brings out the luster and the shine of the original paint. So yun yung mga things na hindi mo nakikita right off from casa.
Yeah.
Diba? And then we also blacked out the grill, which what we'll do to yours also. Kasi gusto mo ng mas macho looking car, diba? And we'll add a body kit also.
Exciting.
Yeah, so we're gonna do a full body kit, a Modellista body kit for Gabbi's LC300. We'll change the wheels and tires also. And we'll give it the full second skin signature package. So yun, very exciting.
Exciting.
Ito naman, this is the LC250. So this is actually Donnie's. We changed the grill. We blacked out the roof, changed
Ito na
the
yung
wheels
grill
and
na
tires.
in-order nyo?
Yes!
Oh,
And ganito yung gagawin natin kay
Sa'yo
Kalino.
din, yeah.
So this is the US version. Dapat nga yan na talaga yung lumabas yung yung Prado dito. Dapat ganyan na itsura eh. Ito
Dito
pinalitan na
kasi
rin
iba
to.
Ito, oo.
So napalitan na rin yan. It looks a lot better, more aggressive.
Yeah,
diba?
mas pogi.
Dito kaya natin i-test yung PPF.
Donnie, sa scratch test namin to mamaya.
Lagot ka. I asked Donnie, di ba, before you bought the LC250, I asked him, how's the LC250? Type mo
Ano sabi
ba?
niya?
Gandang-ganda siya. So
Love
sabi niya, it's a good buy. Kaya, ayun, at least, di ba, we heard it from people who own talaga the car.
Yes. And ako rin, I'm super happy with the LC. I think everyone who has
Terno
one.
na kayo. Ikaw ang unang nagka-LC250 dito.
Yes, nagkataon lang.
Oo.
Pero lahat tayo, marami ng LC ngayon. Pwede tayong thrill. Sabay-sabay tayo, di ba?
Oo. At saka pinag-usapan namin kanina, nung na-meet ko siya sa bahay ni Josh, he was still doing the cell phones.
Yes, oo.
Nakwento niya.
Oo.
Doon ko nag-start.
Doon ako nag-start.
Oo.
So we started with cell phones, laptops, and
Yeah.
then now we're doing your cars na.
Ano
diba?
pa yung mga pinaprotect mo nun?
Ref,
Ref?
camera.
Wow, may nagpapaprotect
TV.
ng ref?
Hindi, normal ref lang.
So?
Normal na white ref, ginawa ko siya ibang color. And ang pinaka-weird na ginawa ko, water dispenser.
Hanap naman yung water
Ginawa namin
dispenser
pearl white,
na
so-
yun.
Kasi maganda with the wrapping, you can change anything. You can, basta smooth yung surface niya, pwede natin palitan ng kulay, pwede natin palitan ng finish, gloss, matte, or metallic, di ba?
Yeah. Tsaka happy ako, at least mapaprotect niya siya kasi it's a car that you won't sell agad-agad eh.
Exactly.
It will last eh. It's an LC eh. So, for keeps
for
eh.
keeps na
That's why you
talaga.
have to protect it talaga.
So let's go to your car,
Okay.
and then I'll show you the step-by-step process on how we do things here.
Lamig dito ah.
Alam mo ba?
Oo ah.
Nakikita nga ako eh. Papa-aircon ko na ito buo eh, sasarado ko
Pero
na.
grabe ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito na may aircon.
Kasi
Galing, ah.
kami, we really want na una, dust-free.
Yeah,
diba?
malinis.
Pangalawa, gusto ko yung staff natin comfortable sila. Kasi kung
Ang bait naman.
Siyempre, para rin pang yung work nila, it really shows in the quality of their installs. Kasi
Yeah.
kunyari, pagod ka, naiinit,
Correct.
papawisan ka, baka mag-shortcut ka,
Yeah,
tamarin
yeah.
ka. So I want them all to be comfortable also while working. And, di ba, mas maganda na yun na yung cars ninyo and yung tao, alaga parehas.
Correct.
Yeah.
Galing.
Essential nga na walang dust kasi baka
Papasok siya sa film, di ba? Doon magkakaroon ng imperfections sa installs natin. So first na gagawin namin dito is, of course, we'll do the full checklist. We'll have it checked. Kasi minsan sa casa, may lumalabas na car, may mga konting dimples and dents na hindi mo napapansin. So we'll check muna, we'll make sure na talagang malinis siya before we start wrapping it.
Okay.
And then we'll send you pictures and updates na lang when we wrap it. So overall, this is going to be a complete transformation. So I'm very excited on anong kalalabasan niya. And again, thank you for trusting us here at Second Skin.
Yay! Thank you. I'm so
Sige,
excited.
iwan niyo na yung car.
Aha.
We'll get back to you in a few days and then iba na itsura niya.
Okay, halika na maglakad na tayo pa uwi.
Thank you.
Thank you. Exciting.
I'll see you in a few days.
Yes.
Anong ina-expect mo?
Eh di super pogi.
I'm sure
Oo.
magugustuhan mo siya.
Sabi mo kasi ikaw bahala. Pag tinatanong mo ikaw na bahala, alam mo na yan, mas alam mo yan.
So, I'm happy naman that you trust me with the decisions that we took. So, Gabby, are you ready to see your brand new LC300?
I'm super ready.
All right,
Let's do
let's
it.
bring her out.
Ay, ganda!
Diba?
Uy,
Congratulations
ang
on your brand new
ganda.
LC300.
Ang pogi, grabe. Ang galing mo, Archie.
Sobrang ganda talaga. And lahat kami dito sa Second Skin, super happy with how the LC came out. Ikutan mo muna. Enjoyin mo muna siya.
Uy, ang ganda ng
Ang
mugs.
ganda ng wheels.
Guys, ang ganda.
Sobrang kuha niya yung look na gusto mo, diba?
Sobrang ano pa rin siya, super chic.
Yes, and super aggressive, pero at the same time,
Pogi,
very
pero
classy
sleek.
pa rin.
Yes,
And if
correct.
you look at the front, we also installed the
Yay!
Modellista
Oh my God.
front bumper chin to make it more aggressive. And
Ang
then
ganda ng kit.
Ang ganda na. And then yung mga chrome niya, yung silver, tinanggal natin. I-retain the chrome parts lang para may
Yeah,
accent pa rin siya.
Correct. Kasi yun yung sabi ko nung una. Sabi ko, gusto ko i-black out. Pero na-realize ko, ay parang gusto ko pala magtira ng chrome. So bahala ka na.
Yan.
So super perfect yung
So,
timpla nung chrome and nung black.
Etong chrome, ni-retain natin siya and even yung sa chin niya. And on the sides naman, we also added the fender flares para mas aggressive yung look niya.
Ganda!
Bumagay siya doon sa wheels kasi yung offset niya, sinakto rin natin with the white kit. Tignan mo yung metallic flakes niya. Because of the Magnus propane protection film, mas lumitaw din yung metallic niya na shade.
Naka-glittery
Diba?
siya, oo.
Yes, ang ganda. So,
Ganda.
How do you like it?
Hanep. Super ganda. Super ganda.
I'm super
Ganda.
happy that you're happy.
Oo.
Ang ganda talaga. Eh, tingnan mo yung likod. So sa likod, nagdagdag din tayo doon ng rear chin, which also makes it look more aggressive. And nagpalit din tayo ng tailpipes mo.
Oh, yeah.
Sobrang ganda niya tingnan. And then yung Land Cruiser niya, we made it black
Yeah.
para it's very classy and talagang ang tapang ng dating niya.
Oo. Ang ganda.
Ang ganda. I'm
Gusto
so
ko na
happy
siya,
you're happy.
gusto ko na siya ilarga sa events
Gusto mo
and
namang
everything.
bumiyahe and everything.
Oo, gusto ko na siya i-display.
Right, right. And of course, I promise ko sa'yo, we installed the Magnus Pro Titanium window film. So, yun yung security tent natin. So, kahit basagin nila yung salamin mo, hindi nila mababasag.
Sample.
Sige,
Medyo
tara. Pero maganda doon, talagang you're very much protected from,
Yeah.
you know, yung mga basag salamin gang.
Yes.
And of course, privacy mo rin. Para at least
Yes.
hindi ka ganun kakita sa loob.
I
But,
love it.
maganda rin dito is, even if it's at night, hindi ka masyado mahirapan sa pagdadrive.
Ito yung, di ba, sumakay ako dun sa previous LC.
Yes,
Okay na okay pa rin
so,
siya.
let's go back to the front para mapakita ko sa'yo the inside of the car. So, yung inside niya, as you can see, wag mo muna siya i-roll down since
Okay.
bago lang yung tint natin.
Yes.
But everything inside, yung mga glossy parts mo, nilagyan natin siya ng paint protection film din para iwas gas-gas din.
Nice.
Aside from the body kit that we installed, so pinalitan na rin natin yung wheels mo into the VLF
Sobrang
229.
ganda ng wheels.
These are forged 22-inch wheels. And then, syempre, the best tires in the market, we placed the Michelin Pilot Sport for SUV. So, syempre, we want safety and convenience for you. Gusto namin na you'll get from A to B without any problem. So, of course, Michelin will always deliver.
I love it. Safety but in style.
In style. So,
Oo.
tinan mo, ang ganda niya. It's more aggressive and pasok na pasok doon sa overall look
Bagay
ng
na
LC.
bagay.
Abangan ko yung mga post mo dito.
Oo nga eh. Pwede na ka mag-OOTD sa harapan.
Pwede actually. Baka gusto mo mag-TikTok dance ulit, you
Oh,
know, aabangan
gusto
ko
mo
yan,
ba?
ha? Kaya na lang ni Khalil. Alam mo naman na February ngayon, it's the love month. So, we have a little something from Second Skin to all our clients who availed our service in the month of February.
Oh, so
And
everybody na mag-avail ng services nyo for February, lahat sila may special gift
may
din.
special something, and this special something is actually from a partnership with Petalier.
Ah, thank you! The
Right?
Petalier
So,
pa?
that's from Petalier, and thank you also for trusting Second Skin Industries.
Super nice!
And,
Grabe,
yeah.
may pa-flowers pa.
Valentine's
panalong
kasi.
panalo.
So, yan yung special thing namin for Valentine's Day to all our
Thank you.
valued clients. So,
Super thank you.
thank you, Gabby. I hope you enjoyed your new car.
Yeah.
And sobrang bagay niya sa'yo. And this will serve you a very, very long time.
Yes. Thank you guys. Thanks Second Skin. Super nice.
Thank you, guys.